Do you know the power of AI and how to harness its impact while utilizing it ethically? AI has become a revolutionary force across various industries. It has the potential to analyze massive amounts of data, interpret, and make accurate predictions that have transformed the way we live and work. From AI assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, AI has seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, making tasks more efficient and convenient. Now, are you ready to prove that AI will be a boon to the future? If you think yes, sign up to the webinar on Chat GPT. This is your chance to learn from our expert, Dr. Sapna Katiyar, a former Dean of Academics and CEO. She witnessed the true potential of AI technology and get your questions answered. Discover the power of Chat GPT with Impledge Technologies. Register today and take a step into the future of AI-powered conversation. See you on August 9th.